Hi there friend, if your Samsung battery draining so fast, don't worry, you can follow this guide step by step, easily stop them. So let's get started. First thing first, go to settings, then open connection. After this page is open, scroll down, go to more connection settings. This time you can find the nearby devices scanning option. If it turn on your phone, simply turn it off. But however, anytime this option is don't work or your phone, simply turn back on. Now go back to the previous page, open printing. Right now your default printing services is turned on, but if you don't use, simply turn them off. After it done, go back again. This time scroll down slowly. You can find the lock screen and AOD option, tap on it. Find that always on display, open them. If you don't use always on display your device, simply turn them also off. After it done, go back main settings page again, open location. You can go to location services. Here at the very bottom, located two buttons. Improve accuracy section under Wi-Fi scanning, Bluetooth scanning. If it turn on your phone, simply turn them off the both option. Now go back again. This time you can scroll through the page and open notification. After that, open app notification. Here you can see all of the app listed there. If you see any app, this app no longer needed this notification. For example, I am no longer to use this simple alarm notification, so turn them off. After it done, go back again your main settings. This time scroll down slowly, open battery. After that, scroll through the page, go to background usage limit. Here you can find the put unused apps option. If you turn off your phone, simply turn it on. Also tap on the three dots more button, go to adaptive battery and turn them on too. Now go back again. This time open battery protection option. If it turn off, if you want to decide set battery charging limit your Samsung Galaxy phone, this is available. To do that, simply turn it on first. Then here you can see two options, basic, maximum. Select the option if you like. First, I am suggest you can select maximum. Also set the charge limit for 80%, 85%, 90%, 95% if you prefer. After it done, go back previous screen. This time lastly open power saving mode. After this page is open, right now this option is turned off by default my phone. Simply turn it on. After it enable, you can see two options, standard, maximum. Select the option if you like. For example, I am select this standard option and you are done. I hope this guide will help you. Please like this video. Also subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.